waiting for snow, kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow? 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white. Oh, listen and bright.
This is what we woke up to this morning. Yeah, a lot of snow. Ooh, looks like maybe if it stays this cold, we're gonna have a white Christmas, that's for sure.
Everyone's waiting for snow, kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow? 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow? Conditions are perfectly cold, so come on already. Truth be told, is it really too much to be asking for? Now look at the sky and give me just one reason why, Santa, you can make it snow tomorrow. 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow?
Whoa!
Tastes good.
Hey Lucas, remember we made that dessert out of the snow?
Yeah, the snow and the Oreos.
Yeah.
snow angel.
making a snow angel. Hope you can see him because it's calm after the storm. The sun came out. Now Lucas, get up gently so we can see what you made.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck. Oh, look at that. Well. Oh my goodness.
It looks like an angel.
It looks like an angel. Oh.
It looks like an angel.
That was fun. Oh, I remember those days. I remember those days. Not that long ago. now you're really a mess. Oh, we're having so much fun.
Now, you ready?
You doing it again? You gotta. You gotta go over there. Ah! No, don't go by the wires. Straight, straight. Right there. Lucas is making another snow angel. There we go. Oh, look at that. Doing a good job. All right, Lucas. We haven't had a good snow in a couple of years. And I'm glad the kids had a snow day. With everything that's been going on, with their virtual learning and everything else, they deserve to have some fun. What a cuckoo. I think I lost him. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Full of snow. There's Brownie. The poor thing, look at her legs. She's trying to walk in it. And her legs are almost covered.
She stepped in her own poop.
Oh, I know. Look at her. And she's trying to walk. But look how deep it is. Oh, poor thing. Well, Lucas is trying to shovel the little steps here so she can have a pathway to go down. Here's Lucas. He's trying to shovel the steps in the back yard where we have a little pen for Brownie. There's Lucas. He's trying to make a little pathway. There you go, Lucas. For Brownie. So when she comes out later, that's hard to push, Lucas. Like, get it off to the side. It's heavy snow. It's good packing snow. Hi, Brownie. Are you having fun in the snow? Huh? Are you having fun in the snow? Lucas is trying to help you, but that shovel's way too big for him. And that snow is very, very heavy. Oh. Oh. Just push it like a little bit so you don't have as much snow on the shovel. Look at boy and his dog. Oh, that's a good one, Lucas.
That's smart. 5 million IQ.
Yes, very clever.
For snow, kids and grown-ups alike. I don't wanna be riding my bike this time tomorrow. The weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky.